How to use American Express gift card online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use American Express gift card online. And to use an American Express gift card online, you just need to simply enter the card details. So first of all, you want to make sure or ensure the online retailer accepts American Express card, and if it does accept, then you could add item to your card and navigate to the payment sections. So when you promote for payment information, select American Express and enter your card information such as card number, expiry date, and the 3 to 4 digit security code, which is also known as CVV, from the back of the card. Then enter your naming and the billing address, which is in the address associated with your gift card. Review your order and click pay or the equivalent confirmation button. And that is how you'll be able to use American Express gift card online. Now let's dive into it and see which online retailer accepts American Express gift card. So right over here, you could find a list of information such as this. You could go and read about it and accordingly use American Express on this field. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.